Welcome back everyone. Today we are going to learn subtraction concept using big friends of 100 by solving 3 by 3-digit number. Now before we start, let us have a quick recap. First one, 71 less 15. 71 less 15. So over here how many beads? Only one bead. Less 5. How will I do less 5? We use the formula. Less 10 plus 5. My answer is 56. Next one, 266 less 57. So we start from the third rod, that is 1, tens and 100. So 266 less 57. And now 50, you use the tens rod. We are not using the hundreds rod. So 57. So can we do direct subtraction? No. So what do we do here? We use the formula, that is less 10 plus 3. My answer is 209. Next one, 313 less 204. So less 2. Over here, less 2, 0. Nothing. We're not doing anything here. Less 4. Can I do direct subtraction? No, I cannot do direct subtraction. So I have to use the big friend subtraction formula. That is less 10 plus 6. My answer is 109. Next one, 802 less 275. So less 7. How will I do less 7 here? I cannot do direct subtraction. And over here also, how will I do it? Which formula should I apply? What should I do? To help us solve these type of sums, we are going to learn today big friend of 100. Now let us have a look at this big friends of 10. We all know the big friends of 10. And why are they called big friends? Because when we add the numbers from 1 to 9, any two numbers that we add, you get the total as 10. 1 plus 9 is 10, 2 plus 8 is 10, 3 plus 7 is 10, 4 plus 6 is 10, 5 plus 5 is 10. We have learned this before, right? And these are big friends of 100. We have also learned this in the previous lesson. That is big friend subtraction of 100. If you haven't watched that video, you can check the link in my description box. Let us have a quick recap. Now 1 plus 9 is 10. So for the big friends of 100, 10 plus 90 equals to 100. 2 plus 8 is 10. Over here it is 20 plus 80 is 100. 3 plus 7 is 10. 30 plus 70 is 100. 4 plus 6 is 10. So here it is 40 plus 60 is 100. 5 plus 5 is 10. So 50 plus 50 is 100. And it's the same thing over here. 60 plus 40, 70 plus 30, 80 plus 20, 90 plus 10. These are the friends of 100. What about the formula? Here are the formulas. Okay, we have learned big friend subtraction of 10. And today we are going to learn big friend subtraction of 100. If you want, you can take a screenshot. You can also make a note in your notebook. Let us understand this. Now for big friend subtraction of 10, less 1. We know the formula for less 1. It is less 10 plus 9. For big friends of 100, if I want to less 10, what will I write? Less 100 plus 90. Less 2 is less 10 plus 8. Over here, for big friends of 100, if I want to less 20, what will I write? Less 100 plus 80. For less 3, it is less 10 plus 7. For less 30, it is going to be less 100 plus 70. Less 4 is less 10 plus 6. So over here it is less 40 is less 100 plus 60. Less 5 is less 10 plus 5. Here it is less 50 will be less 100 plus 50. Less 6 is how much? Less 10 plus 4. So less 60 is going to be less 100 plus 40. Less 7 is less 10 plus 3. Over here it is less 70. How will I do it? Less 100 plus 30. Less 8 is less 10 plus 2. Less 80 will be less 100 plus 20. Do you see the pattern here? The formula is almost the same, only we are adding a 0. So last one, less 9 is less 10 plus 1. So 90 is going to be less 100 plus 10. You don't have to mug up the formula, you just need to understand them. Once you understand Big Friend Subtraction of 10, it is very easy for you to learn Big Friend Subtraction of 100. Now let us go back to the previous question and solve this sum with the help of this formula. $802 less 275. 802 less 2. So this is direct subtraction. Less 2. 70. Now over here we cannot do direct subtraction. I have to go to the hundreds rod. I have to use the hundreds rod. So what is the formula for less 7? Less 7 is less 10 plus 3. So now what is the formula for less 70? It is less 100 plus 30. Okay. And now less 5. Less 5 we all know it is less 10 plus 5. My answer is 5 to 7. Let us solve some more sum based on big friends of 100. And remember, to solve these type of sums, you should have a basic knowledge of big friends and its formulas. If you haven't watched my previous videos, you can check the link in my description box. Let us begin with the first one. 808. So 808. Over here no bead. 657. We need to less. So over here 650. Over here how will I do it? So formula is less 100 plus 50. Less 7. Can I do direct subtraction? Yes, I can do it. So my answer is 151. Next one. 375. 375 less 285. Less 200. 80. How will I do 80 here? We cannot do direct subtraction. So we use the formula. What is the formula for 8? It is less 10 plus 2. So this is 80. The formula is less 100 plus 2. Less 5. Can I do direct subtraction? Yes. What is my answer? 90. Very good. Next. 754. 754 less 165. Less 1. I did less 1 here in the hundreds rod. Now less 60. The formula for less 6 is less 10 plus 4. But this is 60. The formula is less 100 plus 40. Less 5, how will I do? Direct subtraction I cannot do. So less 10 plus 5. My answer is 589. Next one. 926 less 287 less 280. Again, how will I do? The formula is less 100 plus 20 less 7. Less 7, the formula is less 10 plus 3. My answer is 639. Next, 821 less 699. So less 600 over here, direct subtraction, 9. Can I do direct subtraction here? No. So the formula for less 9 is less 10 plus 1. So the formula for less 90 is less 100 plus 10. Again, less 9. So the formula is less 10 plus 1. My answer is 122. Next, 322 less 139. 322 less 100. So less 130. How would I do less 30 here? Direct subtraction is not possible. So less 3 is less 10 plus 7. So less 30 is going to be less 100 plus 70. And less 9. Again, less 9 is going to be less 10 plus 1. My answer is 183. Next one, 751 less 667. So less 660. So the formula for less 60 is, if you can't remember this way, you can always remember the formula for less 6 is less 10 plus 4. So for less 60, it is less 100 plus 40. Now less 7. Less 7 is less 10 plus 3. My answer is, yes, come on, read the answer, 84. Next, 811 less 225 less 220. So the formula for less 2, let us remember as less 2 is less 10 plus 8. So for less 20, it is less 100 plus 80. Alright. Now less 5. Again, less 5 we cannot do directly. So we need to use the formula less 10 plus 5. My answer is 586. Next, 905 less 568. So less 500 and less 60. So less 60 is less 100 and 40. Less 8 is less 10 plus 2. My answer is 337. Next one, 265 less 196. So less 190. How will I do 90? Which is less 9 is less 10 plus 1. So less 90 is less 100 plus 10. Okay. And now less 6. That is less 10 plus 4. My answer is 69. Today we have learned how to solve 3 by 3 digit numbers using Big Friend Subtraction formula of 100. Remember, Abacus is not about memorizing, it is about understanding patterns and training your brain. The more you practice, the faster and smarter your mind becomes. So practice Abacus every day to improve your speed and accuracy. If you learned something new and enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, share with your friends and family who are interested in learning Abacus. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our Abacus fun lessons. See you in the next Abacus class. Till then, stay in touch and keep practicing and keep mastering the technique of Abacus with Fatima.